Hey everybody, what is up and welcome to the Figure Freelance Designer. I'm so excited to have you here in this program. This program sums up my learning from 20 years of doing freelance. And if I had that program when I just started out, man, that would have saved me so much pain and struggling and shortcut my way to where I am and what I understand today. And that's the goal with this program. We're going to shortcut your success and make you a highly profitable, successful, professional designer. And I'm so happy that you took the action to be here with us. Now, this is a course for people who actually do things. So this is not just to watch videos and then, enjoyed it. This is actually a highly practical, action-oriented, weekly challenges and homework-based course. So every week, you'll have some content where I'll teach you some principles, but learning them is not enough. You'll actually have to do the work and take some decisions. It might be scary. It might be uncomfortable to do some of those things, but the people who actually take action are the one who benefit from this program the most. Because if you're just going to listen to what I learned and not take action on it, nothing is going to change. So that's going to be tough sometimes, but I'm here for you, and we have a big community of people, and we encourage you to actually do the work every week. Schedule your time and do it. Take the action. So I want to talk to you a little bit about how this program is set up. Basically, this program talks a lot about things which are kind of long-term, right? We're going to build an expertise within an industry, within a niche. We're going to network. We're going to build a brand for ourselves. Those things are actually long-term efforts. So you're not going to see immediate results for them. Those are things that we need to put the systems in place, right? The goal of this course is to help you find clients systematically. So we're going to build the systems, and those are some long-term projects. However, we're also going to focus on short-term goals. And in the short-term goals, we're going to do what it takes to get clients today. And we're going to set up the infrastructure right now for you, for your business to run smoothly, all the operation, finances, money, and all the operation. We're going to set that immediately so you can start working, start charging clients, start making money while working on those long-term efforts. So that's kind of something that you need to understand when thinking about this program. Most of what we'll do is a long-term, but we're going to set you up for success in a systematic way. Now, I've talked about it. Every week, you're going to get a new module that you're going to watch the videos, and then you're going to have some homework. We have the private Facebook group, which you'll have a link below this video. So join the Facebook group. This is where you will you can collaborate, meet other designers who are on the same process as you are. You should see them as colleagues, right? They're not competitors. They might be working in different niches or in the same niche, but you can share knowledge. A lot of how I get jobs and gigs is because I have friends who are focused on different niches, but when they meet somebody who is in my niche, they refer it back to me. So I encourage you to go there, say hello, start engaging, start posting your homework and challenges there in the group. If you need feedback, if you want to, help other people with insights about what they are doing at the moment. So I encourage you to go there and start socializing. Also, we're going to have calls where I'm going to review and help you with your questions. So make sure if you have questions, post it in the group so that you can get help. And the last thing is below this video, we have kind of an onboarding questionnaire. We want to understand who you are, what your goals are so that we can best help you. So make sure that you're filling out this onboarding questionnaire before you're diving into the content of week number 1. Good luck. We're here for you to support you. We wanted to see you take action and succeed. Good luck.